Well, cold front is approaching, so will it start finally feeling like fall? My favorite time of year. Anna DuVall, meteorologist. Let's check in with you. What's it going to look like this week?
Yeah, we're definitely going to start feeling those fall-like temperatures. It's going to start feeling really great out there. If you went out there today, though, it was a little hot. This is what we're feeling right now, 70 degrees still. We have that southerly wind out there, again, bringing in some of that moisture ahead of the cold front that will bring us some rainfall. But tonight, we're staying dry, mostly clear as well, cool and calm as well. So you might need that light jacket out there. It might be a little chilly for some, but overall, we're going to be pretty cool. So let's talk about now and later. Right now, we're mostly dry. We're warm. That's going to be for our Monday. Might see a few of those spotty rain chances throughout the daytime hours, but the real storms and showers don't come into the forecast until we reach Tuesday. So let's go ahead, look at our chances of rain here. You can see no chances for today. We didn't see any of those. And then for our Monday, 40% chance for the daytime hours. Then the real storms start moving in by the evening on Monday, lingering into really early morning on Tuesday. We'll have rain throughout the daytime hours on Tuesday ahead of that cold front that'll push through. We'll have some of those lingering showers out there really early on Wednesday morning. Overall, though, that cold front will pass through really early on Wednesday, and then we'll start feeling the effects of that in terms of temperatures, and I'll try all of that out for you coming up in just a few.
Well, let's check it back in with meteorologist Anna DuVall. What's the weather going to look like for this week? I'm just wanting that fall. It was beautiful out there today, though.
Yes, it was beautiful out there. It was a little warm today. We will see that temperature drop off here in the next couple of days. Let's go ahead and go through our weather headlines here. Humidity is going to be increasing over the next couple of days here. We're going to see showers and storms going into tomorrow and even lingering into Tuesday. Cold front will pass through, and then we'll see those fall-like temperatures. So let's go ahead and track all that out here for you. Here is our muggy meter, and you can see we're in that a bit humid category for our Sunday, Monday. Then we kick it up to that muggy area there by Tuesday. That cold front will pass through. You can see that there as we get back into that more comfortable, refreshing range in our humidity. So let's go ahead, take a look at water vapor. This just shows us where that moisture is in the atmosphere, and we can really see here that we're staying dry. We still have that dry air mass over us for the moment here, and you can see that in our dew points as well. Comfortable range for us is between 50 and 60. So if you can see here across the area, we're mostly confined in that range, still pretty comfortable for the time being in terms of humidity. But if we go ahead, track this out for you here, this is what it's looking like. 5 a.m. on Monday, still about the same, still pretty comfortable. You can see those darker greens start moving into the area there. Now we're in the mid to upper 60s in terms of our dew point, so definitely getting those muggy conditions going into Tuesday. And this is what we wanted to look at here. Wednesday, 11 o'clock, you can see those 40s starting to creep in where that cold front is going to start pushing through. Now we're seeing yellows. Now we're going to get more dry. Dew points in the 40s, in the 30s. Definitely going to be seeing drier conditions going into Thursday. So that's good news. We just have to get through this rain chance here. So we do have rain expected for our Monday going into Tuesday there ahead of a cold front. So let's go ahead and track that out for you. Right now we have southerly winds blowing in a lot of moisture right now into our area. That's going to build in the clouds. You can see 10 a.m. starting to see some of those spotty showers out there. Another wave comes in around 2 p.m. This is 9 o'clock at night tomorrow. Seeing those round after round of rain moving into the area. 2 a.m. Tuesday, this is when it starts to get a little more widespread out there. You can see 7 a.m. right in time for your morning commute. Some of those heavier pockets pushing through the area. This will continue throughout your day on Tuesday. You can see south of the Ohio River and more over in our Ohio counties, Brown, Adams, and Highland County there, seeing the bulk of this rainfall throughout the day on our Tuesday. So we're expected to see a pretty decent amount of rainfall, even up to 2 inches there in some places in terms of our rainfall. So a good dosing, a healthy dosing, especially with our drought conditions out there. So we have that rain chance for Monday. Rain especially throughout the day on Tuesday. That'll linger into Wednesday really early morning. And then you can see those fall-like conditions on the way for the rest of your week ahead.